Okay, so I was editing the video. Actually, I haven't started on the video. I got another package and it's the same thing. Please write I love lolly on a small piece of paper and put it inside. Judging from this company that I buy it from, I wouldn't be surprised if they really have a lolly inside. Let me just open this thing up. Oh shit. Okay. Oh shit. I almost forgot. This I actually bought the desktop. No, not a desktop, a monitor. I shouldn't be pressing it down like that. I'm gonna stop the camera for a while to open this thing up so that I can open this thing without showing anything. Give me a moment. Okay, as you can see right over here, I thought they would at least do it on A4 size paper since this monitor is actually quite small. I didn't expect them to, you know, put this in a folder plastic sort of stuff. I was thinking next time if I should really ask them to just print a picture of a lolly, put it inside the box or something, but I think this is I don't even know if this can be called content or not. Like seriously, is this what you guys sign up for? I legit don't know what I'm doing here. Oh, I didn't know. It says here is a refurbished brand, but then it looks quite new. Let me focus on it. There's barely any scratches on this screen. Yeah, it looks quite new, and it cost me like $30. Cable management 101. If you can't see the cable, you have no problem. And one more thing. Finally, it's done.